Okay, this is the second part of the Unit 4 project. We've got our drawing in, we've got our image, we sorted for salary. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to insert a chart. Oh, first, let's, under View, click View and then Freeze. We're going to freeze that first row in case, see this gray bar? This row will now stay static, so on a larger spreadsheet, we could scroll this up or down. Not as applicable with a shorter spreadsheet. Anyways, okay, so now what we want to do is put in a chart. So we're going to use the players' names for one axis on the chart. So I select all those names and I go to Insert Chart. And I'm going to select another data range because I want to chart their players' names against their salaries. So I'll add another range. So that's going to be G2 through G14, and click OK. Now we can take a look at some of the charts that we're going to have. Again, with the this kind of data, the bar charts oftentimes, this combo chart oftentimes makes more sense. There's all kinds of charts you can do that are maybe not as informative. But we're going to customize this as well. Okay. Customization. Let's give it a chart. Player salaries above $1 million. It's going to be title of our chart. Let's change this background color again to gray. One thing that you can do, we're still in, and let me show you how easy, we can always go back to chart types and we're going to stick with this combo chart. Notice under customization, one thing that you can do, just by going down, scrolling all the way down and going to data labels, it will label each one of these individually. Not as functional as it gets crowded, the data gets all crowded up, so we're not going to do that on this one. Okay, series color is blue. Okay, so we have a combo chart, so let's insert that and see how that looks. And I'm going to use my right click. I'm going to change that chart. Let's try it as a bar chart. Okay. That makes a little more sense, so let's use that bar chart. I'm going to click the drop down arrow again and I'm going to move to own sheet. Okay, so now I've got a sheet showing the relative amounts of salary that players are making. Notice that you have all copy chart, advanced edit, you have all these other options up here. We have a sheet down here. We have a chart down here. Okay, check these against your key and you're all done with your Unit 4 project.